A best mirrorless camera comes with an incredible variety of features and the latest shooting technology to offer you a modern photography experience. Ever since the mirrorless camera came on the market, it has evolved in countless ways. Top-of-the-line mirrorless camera models offer the highest level of image quality, full connectivity, burst speeds, cutting-edge video skills, and fast autofocus. And the best part is, you get it all in a small, portable package. We've listed the top 5 mirrorless cameras and their key features plus things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. Nikon Z5. While Nikon has done a solid job with filling out the very upper end of its Z range of full-frame mirrorless cameras with the flagship Z7 II, and even found room for a cheeky APS-C offering with the Z50, it was arguably lacking an entry-level gateway to full-frame. That has come in the form of the Nikon Z5, a stylish little shooter that offers full-frame features at an attractive price. With twin card slots and 4K UHD video, it takes a few cues from professional bodies, though you won't be burst shooting at anything higher than 4.5 frames per second. Still, with full weather sealing, 5-stop image stabilization, and a spectacular electronic viewfinder, anyone making their first jump to full frame is going to find themselves absolutely spoiled with features. What we like most about this camera is its keen pricing, well below the Nikon Z6 II, and its neat retracting kit lens. Number 4. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. The best budget mirrorless camera that we've tested is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. This entry-level APS-C camera is a good option for those looking to get started in photography without breaking the bank. It's very lightweight and portable, but still feels comfortable to use and comes with a fully articulated touch screen to help you shoot from different angles. While lenses for Canon's EF-M mount are somewhat limited, you can easily adapt EF lenses with an adapter. Canon's menu system is remarkably easy to navigate and includes a guide mode to explain features to novice users. The camera's 24.1 megapixel sensor delivers great overall image quality with decent raw noise handling capability when shooting at higher ISO levels in low light. Its autofocus system features face and eye tracking and does a good job tracking moving subjects when taking photos or recording 1080p video. Also, it can shoot in 1080p at up to 60 frames per second and delivers a great video quality in brighter lighting conditions. That said, its 4K video features are limited. It can only shoot in 4K at 24 frames per second with a severe 1.5 times crop. Its autofocus system is also considerably less reliable at tracking subjects when shooting in 4K. Still, its video quality is good in more controlled light, despite a lot of noticeable rolling shutter when panning to the side. All things considered, this is a solid mirrorless option for most people, and it offers a lot of value for its price. Number 3. Sony A7C. If you want the advantages of a full-frame sensor in a more compact body, check out the Sony A7C. While it isn't as comfortable to use as the Canon EOS R6 and has a more confusing menu system, it manages to fit a full-frame sensor into a remarkably compact body relative to most other interchangeable lens cameras. It has fewer physical controls and a smaller viewfinder than the comparable Sony A7 III, which features the same sensor in a larger body with an extra SD card slot. But it has an updated autofocus system and it's significantly more portable. It has both face and eye tracking, and it does an exceptional job of tracking moving subjects in 4K and FHD video. It also delivers fantastic image quality with remarkable noise handling capability at higher ISO levels. Like the Canon, it features in-body image stabilization, though the camera struggles to reduce camera shake in 4K. Also, it's limited to 30 frames per second in 4K with a slight crop. That said, it has an incredibly long battery life, although this can vary with settings and usage habits. We would suggest getting the Canon if you want a larger, more comfortable full-frame camera with more control dials and an easier-to-use menu system. But if portability is a priority, the Sony A7C is a great alternative. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T4. Looking for a mirrorless camera that's equally comfortable shooting both great stills and 4K video? Few cameras do this better than the Fujifilm X-T4. The best APS-C camera so far. It offers a great blend of great build quality, a fun shooting experience, and class-leading image quality. We're already fans of the Fujifilm X-T3, which remains on sale and still worth considering if you mainly shoot stills. But the X-T4 takes the series to new heights thanks to the inclusion of the in-body image stabilization, a new battery, and a new, quieter shutter. We'd have liked a slightly deeper grip, and the IBIS system isn't quite up to Olympus standards, but it's a big bonus for both shooting both stills and video. And it tops off a brilliant all-rounder that now has an excellent range of lenses. Number 1. Canon EOS R6. If you own a Canon DSLR and have been waiting to make the move to mirrorless, the EOS R6 is the camera for you. It's also a very worthy upgrade from Canon's early mirrorless launches like the EOS R. One of the main reasons is the EOS R6's class-leading autofocus, and there's no other camera in this class that can match its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, which brings excellent subject detection including animals and tracking. But it's a big improvement on Canon's original mirrorless models across the board too, with impressive in-body image stabilization IBIS, speedy 12 frames per second burst shooting using the mechanical shutter, and decent 4K at 60-pixel video skills. The R6's recording limits and rolling shutter issues mean it's more of a stills camera than a video workhorse, but as long as the 20 mini-pixel resolution is enough for you, it's definitely one of the best cameras ever made for photographers. Now is a great time to buy a mirrorless camera, but also a slightly overwhelming one. An explosion in the number of options available at all price points from the likes of Canon, Sony, Nikon, Fujifilm, Panasonic, and a reborn Olympus means that photographers and videographers have never had more choices. Let us know in the comments below which mirrorless camera you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. And if you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, see you guys later.